Finally feeling the effects of not having very much sleep in the past few days. Exactly. Not stress this enough. It is hot, like uncomfortably hot. I think I'm the only person in the world that would ever hike an untied white Air Force One. That sun is intense. I've only been on the trail for like 5 minutes, 8 minutes, and I'm already looking for the shade spots. So this might be a long one. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it's like 4 o'clock right now. I spent the rest of the morning, obviously woke up for sunset, and then went back to bed for a few hours because I only got like 4 hours of sleep, and then edited the vlog from yesterday. Don't have any service here, so I can't upload it, but it's finished. And now I'm finally starting the hikes. I read somewhere that standing those rocks up like that is against the rules, but then again, so is drone shots, and watch this. After the sun goes down and it's not so disgustingly hot out, this place is pretty cool. That I'm out of breath. At the last spot I was at, I met this guy. He was also taking photos, and we were just making small talk. He asked me where I'm from, where I'm going, and I told him I'm living in a van. He's like, oh yeah, living the dream. And this couple behind us was like, oh yeah, you better do it while you're young, or like, wish we could do that. And I was like, oh, it's not too late. And they're like, oh no, it's too late. Like maybe when we're 65. I was like, dang. Just made me realize I'm already retired. I'm living how people want to live when they retire after they work 40 years. I have the freedom now. It's just makes me appreciate it. Like I just get to wake up and go to beautiful places and do whatever I want every single day. And I know everyone has a different situation. Some people's life is harder than other people's, but I just think most people overcomplicate it. Like
you just gotta keep living, man. L-I-V-I-N.
I'm just sitting on this rock, on top of a bigger rock, which is the Earth, flying through space right now. Like, none of it makes sense, so you might as well do whatever you want. Be happy. Okay, let's go catch the sunset.